Good evening. On Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, a quick price alert update on Bitcoin. I forgot about Bitcoin today. We're going to do a quick 2-minute, 3-minute video on Bitcoin, and it's down. It's had a rough day today, and again, you see right off the bat our strategically probability-based line, that blue line, see that? Right here. And then it goes down the right here, and we stopped. We were showing you and highlighting you in those videos right there. If you go check them out, the Bitcoin extensive videos that I put out a couple of days ago. I said watch out for that overhead short-term resistance, right? You can see it even applied up there, support resistance. I said watch out for that because we had our first target out of our falling. Let's zoom out. See the duck hunter, Isaac? If you're watching, my nephew Isaac, see the duck hunter? The company and YouTube rising sensation, along with our drawing tool, which is a YouTube favorite and rising company favorite tool also to take down and draw and describe how to sidestep and audible the criminal gangster cartel, the Ohio State University. But we started making YouTube, getting on the radar on YouTube. Let's delete that malarkey. Right in here. I started making videos down here, and I was describing the topping pattern with the crashing volume after a pumping price and an up and sideways consolidation with higher lows and higher highs, that was a rising wedge, and often, but not always, a sign that the buyers are being exhausted and the sellers are taking over the market and the price is about to crash. And this was our first target right there after we broke. Our major first target. This was our first miniature target up here where we said when you come down like it did, you overshot like they do. And then we said it could come back up. And if it did, this would be a great overhead resistance on this on this red uptrending. Make it a little bigger right here. Hold on. Wrong one. Make it a little bit bigger right here. We said, and I'll go back in here, to that, and then right here into our favorite and YouTube rising drawing tool. We said right here, it could bounce right between, because you have underneath support and then up rising support, ascending support. And anytime you have two critical levels of support or resistance interacting with each other, that's a great spot for the price to bounce and have a big move. So it overshot, then came back and quickly retested, and traded, and then broke back up. Like we said, it could come back up here to a heavily traded area, which is overhead resistance. That's all overhead resistance means, is there's a lot of trading above the price. And we said it would come back down and if you watch the extensive Bitcoin video, I'm just kind of recapping it. It would go down, and then these are our targets. Now, tonight, if you're trying to do a quick technical analysis, real quick, because it's very late night, and I have to get up very early tomorrow to go to work at Rivian to take out garbage, make coffee, and direct traffic in the parking lot with the truck drivers. Very important job. I'm very excited to go to work tomorrow, just as I'm very excited to have our third ever installment of the morning radio show Drive Time 20-minute segment and market share update. Channel market share, very excited. But you can see that you would think tonight there would probably be a bounce of some sort, and then you could come back up and get rejected by a downsloping 200, and then come back down and trade on here, and then break down there to our next ultimate target, where if you go back and look at that video from last night, I have an extensive technical analysis that only this company, Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, can give you to sidestep the criminal gangster cartel, the Ohio State University. Jim Harbaugh, if you're out there and listening, or any of my Michigan Wolverine jabronis, which me, yes, I am included in them jabronis because I am a diehard Michigan fan. Please get my page shared onto all the Michigan Facebook fan websites. On Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, wherever else a Michigan website fan page is. Get me, yes, me, Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, shared. like, subscribe, and share one day my dream. Yes, my dream of having Jim Harbaugh, the coach of the Michigan Wolverines, will be a Facebook or will be a YouTube subscriber to the Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing Radio Network. So yes, I can have him in a one-of-a-kind, probability-based, industry-exclusive, channel-only interview. So I can teach him the industry secrets to sidestep audible, see the cornerback coming in from the top of the blind side, sneaking in as I check. So I look left, look right, audible, yell out to my left receiver. And Brian Edwards, I say, come on in, shift. I look right. I look back over at his counterpart, Jason Avant, and I say, shift out. Jason Avant shifts out. I look back, check. Chris Perry, look at me. What the fuck you talking about, son? I said, check. He said, got it, son. Hike. And I roll out, look left, look right. Play action to Chris Perry. Roll out to the right. See Brown Edwards shooting down the field, down the left sideline, and I throw him to a deep, wide open touchdown. Right, Jim Harbaugh? One day you will like, subscribe, and share to my rambling nonsense because I am a big Michigan fan. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love, Jim Harbaugh. Peace and love.